Alright guys, Jonathan, Colorado Custom Covers and Decks. Today we're using the MT55 Bobcat, little front, kind of like a dingo, but it's the cat MT55. Our track came off the front. We were online trying to find a video. There's no video, so I'm going to do a video real quick. So what you want to do is get some blocks or something on the back underneath here, and then put the bucket up front so you lift the track off the ground. Alright, and then there's a plate. There's a plate in here that holds this nut in. Alright, so you gotta undo this plate. And then here's a nut right here. I don't know, can you see that or not? But that's gonna be your tensioner. Alright, and you want to turn it to as if you're tightening it. Don't loosen it, tighten it up. Make sure this is moving back, not that way. It might take a little bit to start moving back, but if you're going tightening on this will move back. Loosen up the track. We're able to use some pry bars to pry it back in. Now we're going to tighten it back up. We're going to be good to go. But hopefully this video helps you guys on being able to get this back on if it falls off again. This is the Bobcat MT55. Good luck.